What's up guys? Welcome to another budget RC video. Before we get going on this, just want to say a quick thanks to all my subscribers. We're at 1500 now, which is mad considering I think it was October time. I only had about 200 subs. So 1500, awesome. Quick plea to those that are watching my videos that aren't subscribed. Give us a bit of support. I get about, only a small channel, get about 2,500 views a day. Not a massive percentage of the views that are coming through are subscribers. So do us a favour, hit the subscribe and support the channel. Anyway, let's get on to this. I did a review on this probably about a week ago. Not this exact truck, it was the slightly different bodied one. It was the pretty much clone of the Trax, not the Traxxas, Trax Teton. This is a pickup bodied version, so I've got two of these now, completely stock, and it's awesome fun. This is from Banggood, link is in the description, and it cost about $40, less than $40 if you can get it on offer. Awesome trucks. I said it in the last video and I'll say it in this one. You need to get one of these, even if you're not really into budget stuff. Buy it for your niece, buy it for your nephew, or if you've got kids of your own, sons, daughters, get one of these. They will not be disappointed. My lad and his mates have had loads of fun. So I took this to the BMX track today. You can see very dusty, dirty BMX track. Needs a good brush off and clean this, but yeah, took this out to the BMX track today. Loads of fun. Ran two batteries through it. Little bit of issue with traction. It's quite a short wheelbase, 1/18 scale, quite a short wheelbase, four-wheel drive, but the tyres, they're not really designed, they're not soft enough for that dusty track that I was on. So it's a little bit squirmy all over the place, but I still had loads of fun with it. Not going to keep you any longer. Enjoy the video, and I will see you next time.
I can start to remember